Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kursimran and you're watching Simi Station, and today's video is about why I chose Montreal when I had whole country to choose from. So let's get into the video and see why Montreal is a good choice, why it was for me and why it can be a good choice for you. Okay, so I have made notes today so that I do not forget any of the important details that I kept in mind while I was making a decision. So today we are only going to talk about Montreal and the specific things that are a plus for me in Montreal. So the first and the most important point is fast PR. So as you all know that the main purpose, maybe not the main purpose, but the reason behind coming to Canada is somewhere PR. So I researched a lot of different programs before coming to Canada, and I found that Montreal has the fastest system to PR. And although it includes French, doing French, giving the exam for French, but there are other options that do not require French. But here and there, after considering everything, I found out that Montreal is one of the fastest places to give PR, whereas in comparison to other programs where you have to live in small provinces with less, you can say less development to get PR faster. So I thought this was a middle ground. So first is that one. And then you have, okay, so Montreal is one of the places in Canada that is very much culturally diverse. So you have a lot of different people residing in Montreal, which is very good. So it helps you understand different cultures, and if you like being with different kind of people, or just the vibe of the city is very cool, which I didn't know before coming here, but now I do know that. So what I think is that the competition in Montreal is less than Toronto. You can say it's lesser than Toronto and it's lesser than Vancouver because of French, because obviously everybody is not interested in learning a new language after coming to a completely new country and doing everything from a different perspective. So French is something that people avoid and are not as comfortable with. So therefore there is less competition because only the people who know French have the big, you can say the big chunk of jobs. Here in Montreal, you can get a job if you don't know French. Obviously it's not a hard and fast rule that you can never get a job. You can, though still the competition is less than Toronto and Vancouver. So that is a good point because I intend on learning French completely. So yeah. Then you know that Montreal is one of the cities with one of the best nightclubs of the country, which is something to keep in mind if you're my age or if you're any age and you like to party, which we do. Of course, because of the pandemic, you are not able to do any of it, but still before that, after this, there is a lot of cool stuff to do here in the city. Like, you should probably come to visit if you don't live here, but it is so cool. In summer, even in winter, you will see people lining up for clubs for like 2 blocks. It is awesome. So with the perspective of international student, the fees of the colleges is less here in comparison to Toronto, Vancouver. Maybe it's lesser in comparison to the whole province of Ontario, because I have seen colleges in other places other than Toronto which are also expensive than here, and I know a lot of students who come from Brampton to Montreal to study because the fees is less here, which is one of the things that I wanted to keep in mind, because this is very important for everybody. If you're getting the same kind of acknowledgement, like the same value of the degree by paying less, then you should definitely do it, unless you have very specific reasons not to. I did prefer this, and this is one of the reasons that I chose Montreal. Then we have development. See, so in comparison to other cities, even though Montreal is not as big as Toronto or Vancouver, but it has a lot of potential and development happening in the city. So you can see almost all the big companies have their offices in Montreal. Montreal used to be capital during the French time. Even if you don't know French, you still have a lot of opportunity here in comparison to other provinces, because I feel the competition is a lot more there than here. So obviously that is one point to consider. I won't say that you will not find people are coming in Toronto every day and finding jobs. So it is not like that, but it is something that I thought is a point that I would like to consider, because obviously I didn't want to be where everybody is, if you know what I mean. So that is one of the reasons that I chose, and maybe it's not a factor for you, it's completely fine, but it works for me. So I just wanted to let you guys know what I thought was good So it's not important that everything that I think is the same as you, it's just my opinion. And yeah, the last point that I thought of was that the living expense is a lot cheaper than other provinces. For example, the rent in general is less expensive than the rent in general of Toronto or any other province. Then the cost of living is lesser than other provinces. This is a survey that happened. So there are provinces whose living expenses are lesser than Quebec or Montreal, but in comparison to those places, the size of the city is bigger and the opportunities are more. So I kind of found a middle ground in Montreal than other small provinces or small cities, than Toronto or big cities like Vancouver. So I think this is something that was very suitable for me. Everybody has a different opinion and different preferences, of course. So this was the list of why you should choose Montreal and why I did too. So if you have any other questions about any other provinces or any other cities, do leave it in the comment section. You can message me on Instagram and I will answer all your questions. I hope you got a lot of information from this video. And if you like to watch videos about international students specifically in Montreal or any other province as well, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of good and amazing videos that I make for you guys. And please do subscribe to my channel, because I was watching the analytics recently, which are up here, and like almost a lot of people who watch my videos have not subscribed to my channel. So if you could just take out a minute and subscribe, that will give me a lot of motivation to make more cool videos for you guys and keep on sharing this information with you. So hope you guys like this video and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.